Yes, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is packed with features. It boasts the top-notch processor, a high-resolution camera, the unique S Pen, and numerous AI-powered functionalities. However, its most practical feature is its Gorilla Glass armor protection. Samsung has now revealed how this protection is crafted. The Galaxy S24 Ultra stands out from other smartphones worldwide because it effectively minimizes reflections. This achievement is attributed to Corning's Gorilla Glass armor, which undergoes an exceptionally precise layering process to attain anti-reflective properties. Special ions are meticulously deposited on the glass substrate with nanometer-level precision, even thinner than a human hair.
Please welcome John Bain from Corning.
Samsung and Corning have worked together closely for more than 50 years. Gorilla Armor enhances your everyday optical experience by reducing screen reflection by up to 75%. So there you have it, our toughest, most scratch-resistant, and most optically advantaged Gorilla Glass yet.
All these steps are carried out in an ultra-clean environment using vacuum deposition systems. The processing chamber is evacuated of air and argon gas is introduced into the vacuum chamber. The ionization of argon gas occurs within the plasma environment. This technology mirrors the processes used in manufacturing semiconductor chips, which makes the entire process very expensive. As a result of this meticulous process, the Gorilla Glass armor protection can reduce reflections by an impressive 75% compared to other competitive aluminosilicate cover glasses. Additionally, this durable layer also enhances scratch resistance, making Gorilla Glass armor 4 times more resilient against micro scratches. Let's watch the video. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.